the dynamic world of dating, the connection between younger women and older men is one filled with its own unique signals and subtleties. Today, we're zeroing in on this particular pairing to uncover the unmistakable signs that a younger woman is truly into you, the older gentleman. Ready to decode the signals of attraction? Let's begin unraveling this together. 1. Genuine interest in your life and experience. You know that spark in a conversation when someone is really into what you're saying? That's what we're talking about here. When a younger woman is interested in an older man, it's not just about small talk or passing the time. She genuinely wants to know about your life journey, your career highs and lows, your hobbies that light you up, and your perspectives on various topics. This kind of curiosity is different from casual chit-chat. It's not limited to the weather or what you had for lunch. It's deeper. She might ask about the book you're reading, the story behind your favorite watch, or what you learned from your first job. These questions show she values your life experiences and wants to understand you better. What makes this different from small talk is the attention to detail and the follow-up questions. It's a conversation with depth, not just surface-level niceties. She's not just hearing but listening, and that's a big sign she's truly interested. Remember, age doesn't matter when you have the connection and the stories that bring you together. Keep an eye out for this. It's a clear indicator of genuine interest. 2. Laughter and playfulness. Ever noticed how some conversations just flow with giggles and lighthearted banter? That's a big green light. When a younger woman frequently laughs and engages in playful interactions with an older man, it's a pretty solid sign she's interested. It's saying, "Hey, I'm comfortable and having a great time with you." Humor is such a big deal, especially in bridging age gaps because laughter is a universal language. It breaks down barriers and creates a connection that goes beyond years. A shared joke or a playful tease can make two people feel like they're on the same wavelength, regardless of their age difference. When she playfully teases you about your old school music taste, or you both laugh over a shared love for classic movies, it creates a bond. These moments of laughter and lightness can make the age gap seem insignificant. So, if you find her laughing at your jokes, even the not-so-funny ones, and engaging in playful chats, chances are she's showing more than just polite interest. Keep the laughter going. It's the secret ingredient to a lively and enjoyable connection. 3. Seeking your advice and opinion. Picture this. A younger woman not only listens to what you have to say, but also actively seeks out your thoughts and guidance. Don't take it as just polite interest. It's a sign of respect and admiration, and it could very well indicate something more romantic. When a woman values your perspective, whether it's on big life decisions or everyday choices, it shows she sees you as someone wise and experienced, someone whose views matter to her. This is especially telling in relationships where there's an age difference. She's not seeing you as an older man, but as a partner whose insights and experiences can add value to her life. Focus on the way she might ask what you think about her career move or how you handled certain situations in your life. These conversations are essentially saying that she values your wisdom and enjoys seeing the world through your eyes. So, if you find her coming to you for advice and genuinely considering your opinions, take it as a compliment. It means she's enjoying your company and respects and admires the person you are. And who knows? This admiration could be the first step towards something more romantic. Keep those insightful conversations going. I hope you're finding these insights helpful. If you are, why not show a little support? A quick thumbs up, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. 4. Body language cues. All right, let's dive into the secret world of body language cues. Sometimes what isn't said out loud speaks volumes, and this is super true when it comes to spotting signs of interest. Pay attention to the subtle yet revealing body language of a younger woman. It's really a secret code waiting to be deciphered. First up, we've got prolonged eye contact. You know that moment when your gazes lock and the world seems to pause? That's not just a coincidence. Prolonged eye contact is a classic sign of interest. Next, let's talk about mirroring movements. Ever noticed how she unconsciously copies your gestures or the way you're sitting? That's mirroring, and it's a subconscious sign that she's in sync with you. This is a sign that you and her are on the same wavelength. And don't forget about open posture. This means she's facing you directly, with arms uncrossed and a relaxed stance. It's a welcoming sign, showing she's open to you and what you're bringing to the conversation. These nonverbal cues are crucial in understanding her interest. They're subtle, yes, but they reveal a lot about how she feels around you. So next time you're chatting, take a moment to read these silent signals. They might just tell you everything you need to know. 5. Making time for you. On to our 5th sign, and it's all about time. Specifically, how she makes time for you. In today's fast-paced world, where everyone's juggling a million things, choosing to spend significant time with someone is a huge indicator of interest. If a younger woman is carving out moments in her busy schedule to be with an older man, that's a clear sign she values that connection. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, and how we choose to spend them speaks volumes about our priorities. If she's opting to spend her free hours with you, whether it's for a coffee catch-up, a leisurely walk, or just hanging out, she's indicating to you that you're important to her. It's not just about the quantity of time, but the quality too. Does she seem present and engaged when she's with you? Does she seem to genuinely enjoy your company and conversations? These are key indicators that she's cherishing the moments with you and she likes you. So, if you notice her making a consistent effort to spend time with you, take it as a strong sign of interest. It shows she sees something special in the connection you're building together. That's definitely something worth paying attention to. 6. Sharing personal stories and emotions. When a younger woman starts to open up about her personal life, her dreams, her fears, and even those little quirky stories from her childhood, it's a big deal. This openness is a sign of trust and a deeper interest in creating a meaningful connection with an older man. Sharing personal experiences and vulnerabilities isn't something most people do with just anyone. She's giving you a VIP pass to her inner world. Whether it's a story about her best day ever or a heartfelt talk about a tough time in her life, these moments bring you closer. They show she's comfortable being her true self around you, and she's interested in seeing the real you too. This emotional sharing creates a bond that's all about building a foundation of trust and understanding. If she's willing to laugh with you about her embarrassing childhood memories or confide in you about her hopes for the future, she's showing you a level of interest and trust that's worth noticing. So, if you find your conversations with her getting deeper and more personal, it's a good sign. It shows she values you as someone special in her life, someone she can be open and genuine with. That's the kind of connection that can lead to something truly meaningful. And now, for our special bonus tip, pay attention to who she introduces you to. If a younger woman is bringing you into her circle, introducing you to her close friends or family, it's a big sign of serious interest. This move is her indicating she wants you to be a part of her life. Introducing someone to your inner circle isn't a decision taken lightly. It's a step that says, I see this going somewhere, and I want the important people in my life to know you. It's an integration into her personal life. This action speaks volumes about her intentions and the level of seriousness she places on your relationship. When she brings you around her friends or family, watch how she acts. Is she proud and happy? Does she make an effort to include you in conversations and activities? These are signs that she's also ready to have you be a part of her broader life. So if you find yourself meeting the key people in her life, take it as a strong indicator that she's serious about you. It's a sign of trust, respect, and a desire to deepen the relationship. Definitely a bonus point worth noting. Now you understand the signs she likes you. What's next for you? Discover the green flags to look out for in women, or learn most important seduction skills you need to master. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.